The 2025 Kabaddi World Cup has officially begun in the West Midlands, UK, making history as the first edition of this prestigious tournament to be held outside Asia. Over the next 7 days, fans will witness more than 60 matches across major cities, including Birmingham, Coventry, Walsall, and Wolverhampton. The tournament features 16 men's and 8 women's teams, divided into groups, competing in a league-cum-knockout format. The top teams from each group will advance to the knockout stages, setting the stage for an intense battle for the championship. Men's groups: Group A, Cameroon, England, Malaysia, Poland. Group B, Egypt, Hong Kong, Scotland, Sri Lanka. Group C, China, India, Tanzania, USA. Group D, Germany, Italy, Kenya, Pakistan. Women's groups: Group X, England, Hong Kong, Poland, Tanzania. Group Y, Cameroon, Egypt, India, Kenya. Tournament kicks off with several high-stakes matchups. England faces Cameroon in the first men's match, while India, the reigning champions, take on Tanzania. The women's division also sees England battling Tanzania, and India competing against Kenya. India enters the tournament as the dominant force in both the men's and women's categories. Meanwhile, England, led by captain Hardeep Hari Singh, is eager to make an impact on home soil, hoping to popularize the sport in the UK and even push for Kabaddi's inclusion in future Commonwealth Games. Hosting the Kabaddi World Cup in the UK marks a significant step in the sport's global expansion. The West Midlands was chosen due to its strong South Asian community and deep-rooted ties to Kabaddi, making it the perfect host for this historic event. This year's event is backed by the WMCA Commonwealth Games Major Events Legacy Fund, World Kabaddi, and the British Kabaddi League. Major brands, including Paddy Power, have stepped in as sponsors, helping bring the sport to a wider audience. Fans can catch all the action live on multiple TV channels and streaming services throughout the week. With thousands of spectators in attendance and millions tuning in worldwide, the 2025 Kabaddi World Cup promises to be an electrifying spectacle. As the competition unfolds, only one team will emerge victorious. Who will lift the trophy this year? Stay tuned for all the action from the 2025 Kabaddi World Cup. Follow for more updates.